So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am running a 100 plus series of the Python programming language. Whether you guys are preparing for the any Python specific kind of the job role, or maybe the data science or AI engineer kind of the job role. So these questions are very essential for you guys. Although I already completed the three of the questions as well, you can check it out in my YouTube channel. In the playlist section you can find out easily. And today is the fourth question of the day, so let's get it started. So the question says that find the frequency of every character in a string. What it means. So just take as an example of user write a input like the hello world name, and it prints our expected output should be looking like this. So how it works like that, in the given string the question is asking about like each individual letter is how many times is appear in the whole string. What it means, like, just take as an example of the letter of h. This h letter is how many times is appear in my whole string. Like h is only appear one time, so it should be print like one. Like e letter is appear only the one time in my string, so it should be print like one. And let's now l is appear the three times, like one, two, and three. This you can see guys, so it should be print like l is three. So this is the main agenda of this question. So let's jump into the coding section as well. So firstly, what I am writing is that I am writing the input function. It will ask from the user, like you can write your alternative string, although you can write your name, surname, whatever the string you wanted to write it. So here you can write it like this: enter your string. It will ask from the user, enter your string. So I need to store this into a variable name I am taking like okay, so user input I am taking like the variable name like this. Now I need to define a function as well, like so function name I'm taking check frequency like this. This function takes a text as an argument. After that we need to call this function as well like this, and inside this function this user input will comes into the picture like this. Also we need to store this function into a variable, so I am taking the result name variable as is. So now complete, let's jump into the function section as well. Like so one thing I'm explaining to you, these expected output, have you noticed like it should it is looking like the key value pair. And in the python, the in the key value pair concept comes into the dictionary section. So we need to create a empty dictionary like this. I'm writing like this, like I am taking the frequency as an empty dictionary, and I will traverse the for loop for each letter. While later this for loop will run like this in the given text like this. So what I am going to doing is that I will run the if else condition like this. Okay, so if character in frequency, it will check in the given frequency, like if this frequency, if like my character is present, so I will increase that letter by +1. If not present, so I will write it into the frequency. So like this thing I am writing like this. like it should be written like this. And inside the frequency, the like each later the character will comes into the picture. If that letter is already present my frequency section, so I will increase that particular letter by plus 1 like this. Now in the else condition, if like in the initial of the time my frequency is empty, so I need to increase, I need to write it by some of the letter, like in the initializing phase, like I'm writing like this frequency. And remember here do not increase by plus 1, here you only need to write it 1, because whenever the like this in the hello world it will extract with the help of the for loop, so it will just directly it in the initial of the stage, this h word will come here, and it will assign by 1 one numerical value. So I need to return this frequency as well. Now my function section is complete. Now jump into the my driver code section as well, like this. So here we also need to write the for loop, because like this is the key value this is the key value pair kind of the things, so we need to write the for loop. It will check for each key and each value, that particular value is assigned from that particular key. We need to extract that kind of the things. So for each character it will count that particular things in my result dot item. So why I'm writing the items in the items, so in the dictionary, like if you write the if you want to get only the value, so you can write the value. If you wanted to want to get only the key, so you can here you can write it the key. And if you wanted to both, like with I need to both like and as well as value I need to in this case. So in this case we need to write the items. With the help of items we can easily extract that particular key value pair. Now one of the things I need to write it here, like for the spaces I am writing like this, like this. If my character is equals to any kind of the space, like within a string, if any kind of the spaces comes into the picture, so we need to print like this spaces, like this. And that how many spaces are there, it will print like this. And if not, like if in the else condition, we need to print like this, that particular character and how many character that appears in my within a given string, that particular count I will write it like this. So we need to run this code as well. I am running this code. So for the understanding purpose, I'm writing the upper string like this, hello world. So yes guys, you can see my codes runs perfectly. And this is how it prints, like h appears one time, e appears one time, l appears three times, o appears two times, spaces only one. Like here you can see only one spaces is appear, and w appears one time, r appears one times, and d appears one times. So this is how the things gets work. This is the third question of guys, like you can do if you are troubling to understanding this kind of the question. So one thing I am suggesting you, you need to take it pen and copy and try to understanding with yourself, like extracting that any kind of the string you can write it here, and after writing that particular string, so how that particular thing is taking with the help of the for loop, how each character by character, each letter by letter, it is checking like this. So this is the how the things gets work, and let me know comments, let me know in the comment section as well, like if any of the alternative way you guys are solving this question, so you can write in the comment section as well. So thank you so much guys to watching this video, and I will see you in the next time. Thank you so much, guys, and means a lot. Thank you so much.